Hi Philippines, this is Dansoy. I'm going to make the Manila strawberry banana smoothie. This is a first for me. Love you Philippines. Be safe, God bless. Got my blender. I got my evaporated milk. 2 cups of strawberries. I got some evaporated milk in a mixing bowl where I can try to make like a foam top. I got a really ripe banana. And I got a measuring cup. With this recipe in the blender, you can either add a half a cup of ice or half a cup of water, or you could substitute it with half a cup of milk. But this is the Manila strawberry banana smoothie. With this banana, I'll use most of it in the smoothie, but I'll cut off a part to put into that mixing bowl and try to make the foam. This is a first. Be back. I'm back, Philippines. So in my blender, I got everything in there. The strawberry, the ripe banana, half a cup of water. I put some condensed milk in there. And right now in that mixing bowl, I got another ripe banana with more evaporated milk. So I'm going to try to make that whipping sauce for the top. But yeah, in that blender, I got the main thing. So this is only usually a couple minute recipe. Alright, so I'm back. I have that topping, that banana. You can see it's like mush, like crushed banana and evaporated milk. That'll go on top of the smoothie. Alright, so we're back with that. Now we got the mixer and everything in there. We're gonna hit the smoothie. See how it's just chopping everything up. So it's just slowly chopping that up. So see how everything goes. So we're almost there. Sorry about the noise. Sorry friends, for the last blooper. This is live recording, so there's gonna be bloopers in there. Don't feel like editing. I'm a real person just like you. So we're done with the smoothie there. It's banana strawberry. We got our mason jar, and we got that banana cream I could try to put on the top. And if everything goes good, you could always put on the top like a chia seeds, where you could put like chocolate sprinkles or whatever is for your taste. Now we'll go to the mason jar. So we got the strawberry banana smoothie in there. Now we're gonna put the cream on top, touch it with a strawberry and some sprinkles, and we're done. We have our drink. The only thing I'm missing today is a straw. We're back. We have the strawberry vanilla smoothie with the banana foam on top. I'm going to leave the sprinkles off, but if you wanted to, you could take sprinkles and put it on the top. Actually, I'll throw in a... Alright, we're done. The strawberry banana smoothie from Manila, Philippines with the foamy banana topping. We got a strawberry and sprinkles. So, all set. It usually only takes a couple minutes, and it's yummy. God bless the Philippines. I love you. Thanks for visiting my channel. Can you please subscribe and hit the bell for updates every week? God bless. Love you.